Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are warmly welcome. If you've tuned in today we are doing tandoori roast chicken. Okay, I have whole chicken here which I'm going to spice up nicely, and then I'm going to just put that in the oven, and it's absolutely delicious. Okay, so yeah, this is what we are doing today. So you are welcome. So before I touch the chicken, I want to put all my spices together. Okay, I have some natural yogurt in the bowl here. So the next bit I need to add, so this is crushed ginger and garlic. Okay, so I'm putting that in. Smells so good. Mainly that is the base. Right, so the next bit is to, before I add the spices, which a lot of spice I have to add, I'm adding some lemon. Okay, just half of a lemon. Just make it so fresh and nice. Right, so what the spice, I have lots of spices to add. Okay, so I'll put all the measurements down below. I have some, I'll put them here, some of them actually, it's not all of them. I have some fenugreek powder, I have some cumin, some coriander, some cloves, I have garam masala, I have some turmeric, and I have some salt and some cinnamon. So I'm going to add all of them here. So guys, to get the red color, all right, I have some chili. Okay, this powdered chilies. Okay, but this one is Kashmir one, so it's not really that hot, but it's got a lovely color. Okay, and then I'm adding a bit of paprika, smoked paprika, because I'm doing it in the oven, so I just want that smoky taste. Okay, so I'm putting that in. Then let's mix this. So yeah, this is our paste. So we're going to just smear it. Yeah, before that, sorry, I forgot, I need to add just a little bit of honey. It has an extra loveliness to the chicken. Okay, so guys, this is our chicken. Okay, I've made some dents really in there. Okay, I'm keeping the skin on because I'm putting it in the oven and I want it to be nice and moist. Okay, so that's why the skin is on, and I've made some dents in there. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is to just add a bit of oil. Okay, just rub a bit of oil. I'm doing this overnight so that the spice will really go into the chicken. So the first thing I'm doing is to just put the spices inside. Just make sure everything, everywhere, and every dent that I've made is covered with this lovely, lovely, lovely spice. So guys, as you can see, our chicken is really soaked in the lovely spices. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it and put it into the fridge overnight, because when you do it overnight you really can taste the spices and it's really nice. But if you can't do it overnight, you can just do it for 2 hours. You can just put it down for 2 hours and then you can just put it in the oven and then enjoy it. So I'm going to put that into the fridge and then put it in the oven the next day. So guys, this is our marinated chicken. It's been marinated for 24 hours. Okay, so really it will taste really good, I tell you. So I'm going to put this into the oven, but before that I just want to sprinkle just a little bit of rapeseed oil to help nicely roasted. Okay, and then what I've done is I've preheated the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, and I'm going to put this in. Normally it takes about an hour and 20 minutes or 30 minutes. So I'm going to cover it first of all for it to cook. You can cover this with your cling film. So guys, this is all covered. I'm putting that into the oven and I'll check halfway through, just about let's say about 30-40 minutes. I'm going to check it to see how it's doing, and then we'll open it halfway before it all gets cooked. So guys, this is our tandoori roast chicken. Just look at that. Very flavorful. Okay, it's absolutely delicious. You have to try this recipe. Really nice. So, and you can see that when you burst it, okay, it always look moist and not really dry out. Just look at that. So good, and it smells amazing. So guys, if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.